Live large, entertain with ease, relax in comfort. Welcome to number 18 Mallan Terrace in Birkdale, an 800 square metre block, northerly aspect. But wait till you see inside, you're going to be dazzled.
You always knew deep down inside that I was gonna choose myself, and I will berate it, baby. Was I searching for a future? I'm by myself. By myself, let me walk away, let me walk away, walk away, walk away, let me walk away, walk away. I'm ready. Just spread my wings and make it. You never were the one that caused me damage.
So you've seen inside this gorgeous home, 4 bedrooms, study, massive amount of bench space, 3 living areas, air conditioning, side access for your boat or your camper trailer, beautiful quiet spot, walk to the train. I'm Deb McDonald, give me a call.
And I don't think